Testing. 1, 2, 3, and we are live. What's up, guys? George the Cloud here. My name is Jorge, aka George. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my live. So here is the big day, the big reveal, big video. A lot of big. Rogue Wave, Grand Beatbox Battle 2023 World League Tag Team Elimination. I believe this is the last tag team elimination, so there was 8 in total. I do have a playlist. I have watched every single one without fail, and pretty much they've gone almost in order. Like the latest one was my favorite. Rofu is winning, and then number 2, number 3, it goes on like that. So number 2 is Ziegler, number 3 Gyro, which means there's big expectations for Rogue Wave, not only because of the placement, but it's who they are. I mean, you're talking about Collapse and River, some of the best in the game. So I'm excited. I can't wait to check this out. Also because they're half Colombian and I am Colombian, so come on. And yeah, let's just go right ahead. Get some popcorn, fill up your water, put your headphones on, join the channel. What the heck? Let's go.
Let's begin. Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Ooh la 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 la!
Coming to the stage right here, live and direct, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Rogue Wave!
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch. We got Collapse. We got River. We got that French power with that Colombian flavor. One more time. Tokyo, y'all ready? Jumi the sky. Rogue Wave, it's on you. You already know what to do. Let's see what's poppin'. I say the trois, you say the crowd in trois.
BEATBOX!
Are you ready? GBB, are you ready? I said, GBB, are you ready? You can't blame me, not get this. Check this. You can't blame me, not get this. GBB! Now get this. Now get this. Arigatou gozaimasu.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Alrighty. Alright. Wait for the commentary. Do not go anywhere. You do not want to miss what I'm about to say. Just let me think. The whole performance, super clean, tight, super well structured. Everything you want in a routine, I would say. It really kind of ticked off all the boxes. The special sounds, the flow, the teamwork, which is probably the most important factor in a tag team track or round. And I think out of all of them, they demonstrated that they work together well the most. I mean, the others are pretty close, but it's just, it goes to experience, I would have to say. I mean, they've been together how long, guys? Years and years. And also they have, I would say, kind of a similar style, or at least it's not that different. So they really kind of know each other, their strengths, their weaknesses, and like just from the beginning, so on point with the timing. That's what I'm saying, tight. And of course, the showmanship, controlling the stage. They've been there before, they know what to do, they know what to say, and they know how to do it. So this is an experienced group, expert level, if you will, and they nailed it. I don't think they went hard, they didn't go crazy, it's nothing like wow, but they did enough to move on, and maybe they're saving their best rounds, after, I'm not sure, but at least this was like a, how do I put this, like if you wanted to have an example of an elimination, this is it. And also I like how throughout the whole presentation it was easy to follow because they had kind of the same track going on. I mean, they had switch ups and stuff like that, but the beat remained, so it was like a, it was like a song. You followed it throughout. They didn't like drastically changed it, chopped it up. No. So I think sometimes it works, and in this case, very well. What I would want, just missing the vocals. The vocals, guys. We know River can sing. A beautiful, angelic voice. And personally, I'm a sucker for musicality, which is why I placed the other tag teams higher. But that's just a personal taste, you know what I mean? Nothing, maybe they're saving it for the next rounds. Hopefully, I wanna hear the singing. but this was really cool. Of course, great. And the grading I give them, because for some reason I've decided to give I'm gonna give all the eliminations and all the rounds a grading just for fun. A, solid A. Nothing else to say really. They nailed it. It was pretty good. I'm sure the judges really enjoyed it. Also the crowd, and they're definitely getting through. So let me just say, since I've watched all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I still have to post Rofu. Just to give you an order of my favorite to least, it would be, I think it remains. Also, let me know how many move on, how this even works. I'm assuming 4 move on, and then they battle, semi-final and final. To me, number 1, Rofu. Number 2, Ziger. Number 3, Gyro. Number 4, Rogue Wave. Number 5, Jackpot. Number 6, Lotus. Number 7, Husky. And number 8, Pahlawan. But I do think the judges are gonna score Rogue Wave higher. So it might be similar to what I said, but Rogue Wave is gonna be higher in their rankings. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this incredible journey that we're just beginning. I'm gonna be watching all GBB videos released, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. You might as well subscribe. You can subscribe now, or you can subscribe later, but you will subscribe if you want to, of course. Yeah, I'm not sure what is next. I like to be surprised, but hopefully, man, I can't wait for the loop station. It's my favorite part, really, to be honest. And also the producer, because Saijo's in it, and it is my favorite. So really cool, but we'll be checking out everything they put out. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. If you enjoyed the reaction, give a like, subscribe, share, recommend, all that. At the end, do a flip. Till the next.
Thanks for watching.